For frame for our MAXXFAN, I decided to go with 1.1 by 2 timber, what is used for roofing. It's properly treated, that's why I decided to go with that. This 1 by 2, so we will have to do something like that. I just cut it 4 40cm ones, 4 50cm ones, and then I will connect them like that with the glue and some screws, and then connect them in the square like that properly. Can you see the square over here, and hopefully that will do. So I'll just start gluing them and we will see how this will go. So frame is ready for our MAXXFAN. You can see how it's getting mounted. You've got one plate. 1 second. Yeah, that's the inside one. What came with the MAXXFAN, so that will be coming from inside. Then we've got our wood frame. I have to attach over here, but first we will draw where we want it, and that MAXXFAN will come from the top. But you can see how it's coming in over here. That's how it's all coming together, but you can see as well that this little part from MAXXFAN as well comes off, and this is the one what comes over here. All of that from the top like that. Remember, these metal bits are on the side of the fans, not on the front, on the back, not like that. That's the command. So we better start. Decided that we will put our MAXXFAN over here in the front. That's so hopefully like that. We marked over here. Just need to drill 4 holes. Then go up on the top of the van, do the lines, cut it off, and hope that everything is how it's supposed to be. We will see. Managed to buy 10 drills for £2. We will see how long they will last. Good tip is put some tape on so the drill is not sliding. Good. And it's sliding anyway. First one. So I managed to mark on the top of the roof how I'll be cutting. Over here I put some tape as well. So you will see here you got the holes, what they come from underneath what we drilled through. And I will just cut it and we will see how it will look like then. I did cut some pieces of wood over here and put it on the top of my square, so just is aligning better over here with the roof of the van, and there is no gaps or anything. That's perfect. And next step, I'm going outside on the top, but put some tape already here, so now just put some SIKAFLEX, and then we will put, I will drop this from the top, then clamp the wood from underneath from here, and then we can start screwing that in and put our fan in. That's supposed to be it. Okay. So as you can see guys, MAXXFAN is all fitted now. It was nearly rubbing on the roof over here, just because it's fitted where the sunroof could be as well, so it's very low, so that's why I did have to install a little rubber, how to say, seals over there, so it's sitting on the rubber, not on the metal. I'll show you here. And that's how it opens. All works, all wired in now, all sealed. For last 2 months never had a leak, and we had quite a lot of rain in UK. Quite happy that it's like how to say, see-through, not black, just a bit of a tint on it, because brings some light inside the van. So yeah, I'll show you inside how it works. Okay guys, we're inside the van now. Just wanna show you how it works. It's noisy on the start when you're lifting the lid up, but other than that, you can hear it's already on 10% power, and we are pretty close to it, and still it's pretty quiet. We'll put the power up. You've got the remote here. Now you can see nicely the remote, something like that. You can switch it on, off, of course, open the lid, close the lid, choosing the temperature and the power of the fan, and of course if you want air to go in or out. And as well, you've got the room temperature over here, 13 degrees at the moment, and temperature is set up to 20, that I would like to be 20, because I would like to be 20. Maybe one day in UK, you never know. So you can see all set it up, all works. I will put power quickly on 100% so we can hear it. It's quite loud on 100%, but that's because it's quick as well at 100%. So that's normal thing, but when you lower to like 30, already it's pretty quiet. 20. And now we're going 10%, hardly nothing. And we can swap it, air coming in, and now we can feel it lovely, already at 10%, 20, 30. Yeah, that's it about the fan. I think it's worth it. I don't know, I never tried any other brand, because everyone was saying to go with MAXXFAN only, so I didn't try with anything else. As you can see, since we've been installing this fan on the start of the video, got quite a lot of progress in the van, because I'm recording this a few months later, when I'm started to editing this video, and I realized that I lost some footage from the top of the van. So just to show you how it looks on the top, I'm recording the next video, and just to show you progress on the van quickly. There will be loads of more videos coming when I got time to edit them, because I'm rushing. As you can see, electrics are over there already done, so nearly there. I'll be installing the diesel heater in a minute, in the next few days. And I don't know how to say it, but this one's supposed to be going around Europe in 2 months time. Hopefully I'll manage to finish it off. I don't know, we will see. Okay, so subscribe if you like the video, if it helped you, or if you want to see the progress of the van in the next few weeks, months. And put a thumbs up, and hopefully see you soon, guys. See ya, bye.